Today we will be touring this unbelievably thoughtfully crafted one-story model home in Audubon, Texas, located in Magnolia. This home is a one-story offering you a spacious open concept living space perfect for entertaining and a modern design. Let's check it out. Now let's begin. To all the people who don't know where Magnolia is, it's about a 50-minute drive north of downtown Houston. You have this beautiful stucco and stone exterior, and take a look at your covered front patio. Perfect for outdoor decor. If you like decorating on the holidays, this gives you plenty of space to make your vision come true. And stepping inside, this home will be a 4-bed, 3-bath, around 2,300 square feet of living space, all in a 1-story. Now take a look at this front foyer, perfect for inviting guests over and making a great first impression. And off to the right side of the house, we have your first 2 secondary bedrooms, which will have carpet giving that cozy feel. You have an abundance of natural light, and out to the side, you have decent sized closet for these toddlers. Good amount of space in here. And right across, you have your second one, which is a bit bigger. It actually offers you a work from home desk there for them to do their homework, study, go ahead and get those grades up, and a similar size closet here. Now in here, you find your first full bath being able to be shared by these 2 bedrooms. You have these beautiful black quartz contrasting that white we'll find throughout the house. A tub shower combo with that polished stone tile all the way up to the ceiling. Your toilet, very simple but functional bathroom there. This is where your 2-car garage would go. And this would be the door to go ahead and enter it, which will lead you directly into your mudroom there. Go ahead and unpack and undress from those work clothes. And you can go ahead and put your dirty clothes. Right next to it is the laundry room. Plenty of space for these washer and dryers. You have a bit of extra shelving space here for your detergents, Tide Pods, anything you may need in there. Now, continuing down the foyer, off to the left will be your 3rd secondary bedroom. So after this, we will only need the primary. Now here you have carpet as well, very spacious, and a closet. Now this one, none of these are en suites, but you do have the conveniently placed full baths all right next to it. This is gonna be the 2nd bathroom, which does the job. This one would be the one that the guests use. You have a glass sliding door for your beautiful walk-in shower. Take a look at these stone tile all throughout. Very spacious. I really like this black with the brown tones. And moving along, I don't want to skip over the foyer. I know we mentioned it briefly, but take a look at these tray ceilings with the shiplap design up top. Here you have a work from home office. You can also convert this into a 5th bedroom. It'll go ahead and be accessed through the glass doors. You have shelving where you can go ahead and put your awards from work. If you're a salesman, if you just got a promotion, any certificates you can go ahead and put here. You have an abundance of natural light through these windows, allowing you to wake up. You can come in here, drink your coffee. That sunlight will go ahead and do its job on waking you up. And moving along, we are in the great space. Now take a look at this space, guys. This is absolutely stunning. The color palette they went with here, the cathedral ceiling, the box molding, and the cabinets all come along very well together. Let's go ahead and start off with the kitchen, which you will have floor-to-ceiling cabinets with display cabinets on top. You have a big quartz island here, providing you with plenty of space to add some bar stools so that you could use this as your dining space as well. Now, one thing I do want to show you is this little nook area. If you have pets, I'm sure they would appreciate this because they have their own space here along the family to eat and drink water. Your pantry here, decent size there. You actually have underlighting, which is always a feature I am a fan of. And of course, right next to it, you have your breakfast/formal dining area here. I've never seen anything like this design, just added on top, kind of elevates this space. Plenty of natural light. You have views to your back, so you can see your kids playing outside. You can see the cornhole there, your covered patio. Great space to add a good size breakfast slash dining area there. Moving along, we mentioned it briefly, but the cathedral ceiling, making the space feel very open. You actually have integrated sound systems there, the exposed beam up there, and plenty of windows letting in natural light, making the space feel very inviting and comforting here in the living area. You can see you have the electric fireplace, some floating shelves off to the side. You can go ahead, add some decorations, some family pictures there. And I really like that black going along with the counter space we found in the bathrooms with, again, this wood accent up above for your TV. Now here in the back, we find the primary bedroom. Good size. This one won't have carpet. You have a good amount of natural light, tray ceilings. You actually have integrated sound systems in here. And take a look at that back wall. Instead of the actual sheetrock, you have this textured, super unique. I've never seen it before, super cool. And I really like the color they went with. Now, of course, you will have your primary suite behind these French doors. Take a look at the design on the tile throughout. You have a standalone soak-in tub. You have a very generous size stand-up shower here, which will have 2 shower heads. You have your regular shower head there and the rainfall shower head over there. You actually have a sitting area as well. You can actually place your shampoo, conditioner there if this section won't be enough for you guys. At the end, you of course, private toilet, and you have dual sinks for those busy mornings so that you guys won't be running into each other. Someone can be getting ready here and someone else could be getting ready here. And in the middle, your lady's favorite room is this closet. Take a look at the abundance of space to hang your clothes. You have some drawers. You actually have enough space in the middle to go ahead and sit down, put your shoes on there. I love this. Now, let's go ahead and check out the backyard, guys. It'll be right next to your living room. Now here we are, all-side brick home by Chesmar, giving you enough space here in the covered patio to add some outdoor chairs to go ahead and relax. You will have covered patio to protect you from that Texas heat. And here will be your backyard. Plenty of space. You can see that at cornhole. If you want to add a pool here, you can definitely do so. You have a small garden to those people who like gardening. You can go ahead and create this into a beautiful space outdoors. Now guys, there's no better place to end this tour than here in this beautiful living space. If you would like to schedule a private tour or want more information about the home, community, amenities here, you can find so in the description. Give me a call or shoot me a text and we can get you started. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.